everyone, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Church just ended and there's supposed to be a storm coming. You can see probably that might be part of it way off in the distance. It's supposed to hit around 2 p.m. So might be kind of a short video. Ooh, that's looking pretty rainy back there. Can't tell which way the clouds are moving yet. Oh, that looks ominous. But yeah, just getting ready for the storm. Cat, why do you always walk in front of me and then stop? You know that's annoying. Next time I boot you. So I got that back on. It blew off. The wind's been crazy. As you can see, the whole side of it's ripped to heck. But hopefully it'll do. It's not supposed to be a very big storm. But I was thinking about what I should do for dinner. Oh, woo! Better make sure this freezer's on. Getting kind of thawed out in there about some top sirloin steak. And then maybe we'll go harvest some broccoli to go with it in the garden. But I'm still getting solar power every now and again when the sun comes out. But just to get ready for the storm, I think I might start the generator. Let's see if it'll fire up. So that's what you call backup power, in case we don't get any sun. And I don't have the wind generator working right yet, so that's a little pain in the butt. But I guess I got to run it through a battery and then into my solar converter. And I guess my battery's no good, and I need to get a new one. Planted green beans in this bed, but nothing coming up yet. Probably not enough water in that last storm to keep the seeds moist. We got lots of broccoli, and now look at the size of my cauliflower. I just keep letting it grow. It's starting to split apart, so that means it's time to harvest. But it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Got a lot of broccoli on here, it looks like. We can get a few of these. When I don't eat, the chickens will eat. Some of these are getting close to going to flower. And you could still eat that if you wanted to. You could eat every bit of the broccoli plant, even the leaves. But my chickens, they love broccoli leaves too. So I usually give them the leaves and I just eat the broccoli. Now, this thing's got a ton on there. What do they call this now at the farmer's market? Broccoli florets. $10 for a little bag. I'll leave some on there to get bigger and go check this other broccoli plant. Yeah, this one here, it's got some broccoli going. Nothing great, but we can work on it. Take this whole head off. Not a very big one, but it's food. It looks like there's a bunch of florets in here too. So get some of these. Love fresh broccoli. It's good for you. Let's see. That'll make a meal, especially with a big old topsirloinsteak. Here's some purple broccoli. Let's get a couple of these. This one's taking its time, that's for sure. But you can see the little purple in it. And we got that. What can we get for the chickens? Make the chickens happy. Let's see. I don't like dead leaves, that's for sure, but ooh, little cabbage is getting a little damage on there. It'll be fine. The inside's fine. These broccoli, these really purple ones, aren't supposed to, they're not supposed to head till spring. So they're looking a little rough. Some of the leaves are dying off. It doesn't look like disease. Well, maybe a little disease. But just break those off and toss them. And then hopefully these will make it through to spring and then they'll get heads. So it's really an experiment because broccoli takes a long time to grow. But we can get a big old broccoli leaf like that. And let's go see what the chickens think. Oh, I just love looking at that. That's got to be up to 2 pounds now. Most of my chickens are up at my friend's house, but I had one really broody chicken, that's why I call her broody, and I let her try and hatch some eggs down here. Pond's coming along, but I think I got 2 roosters, and that that was it. Excuse me. All right, chickens. There it is. Broccoli. Yeah, they love broccoli. Yeah, I think these are 2 roosters. That one's a rooster for sure. That one I'm not positive yet, but tail feathers are getting really long like a rooster, so. And it looks like he's getting his little spikes on his legs. But they love broccoli. Now here's one way to supplement your chickens. so you don't have to buy so much feed all the time. Give them broccoli leaves. You could also ferment your food, which makes it go a lot longer. But we'll have to do another video on that some other time. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work. I gotta get ready for this storm. See y'all later. Adios.